So my personal opinion is this: with a secure credit card, yes, the $25 annual fee or whatever the annual fee is, if it's very low, is not bad. You do want to keep these cards for history. I just feel like once you guys get to that 6 month mark, you guys should start applying immediately for better credit cards, because at that point you guys should have great options on other credit cards you guys can get. Even if you guys were to have other credit cards like a secure credit card that's going to graduate, those credit cards are just better because eventually you're going to have to close that credit card. You're not going to add your family on as an authorized user. So it's like, why continue to have that credit card? Cut your losses early. Let it just boost your credit score quickly, which is what I think those secure credit cards should be for. Let it boost your credit score quickly, and then go ahead and move on to other credit cards in like 6 months to a year. And yeah, you're saying like it's not that bad, but to me, I just feel like you should just move on and try to get other credit cards. If for some reason you can't get other credit cards, then go ahead and keep that secure credit card. Or maybe you just don't care, you want to just keep it on there. Go ahead and just keep it. Now, I've seen people that have done this. I still have some of my old secure credit cards, but the annual fee is just something I just don't think that people should pay. And keep that in mind in terms of, you need to start actively trying to build your credit and try to get other credit cards that's going to graduate, like the Discover, the Capital One, the Navy Federal. Those are credit cards that's going to actually graduate, and then they actually going to give you increases too. So I just like to think of like it's just a stepping stone. I don't want to say what I just thought about a comedy show. Oh, I'm gonna say, and I'm thinking about it. Somebody was like, I think it was Dion or something. It was like, this ain't your man, man. Like, this man is just gonna get you where you need to go. Like, this ain't the man you gonna have forever. This is just a man for right now. And then you gotta go ahead and move on. You want something that you can build with, you can be stable with. This is just not it. It's just your man right now. That's just bad. But hopefully you guys get it. It just came to my head. And maybe another woman understand what I mean. Like, girl, just let that boost your credit score and get yourself together. I've been there, done that. So I know, like, yeah, it's not, this ain't it, y'all. This ain't it. But eventually it will start building your credit. It will start building your credit, you guys. And when it start building your credit in about probably 3 months, sometimes you get a secure credit card, it can get access to your credit reports right away and really boost your credit score. As it start boosting your credit score, start applying for other credit cards, especially credit cards that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. Apply for those, and when those start getting old, let those get like a year old. Keep your secure credit card. Once those get like a year old, you good with them, they give you an increase, you building with that, then you can go ahead and cancel your secure credit card. I'm not telling you to get that secure credit card and cancel it in 3 months. I'm saying build a relationship with something else. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it just seemed like that. Build a relationship with another company, and then you say, you know what, I gotta let this credit card go. It did its job. And when you close that account, it's not going to drop your credit score too much. And then hopefully these new credit cards are only what, 3 to 6 months. I want to say younger. How do you say that? I don't know, you guys. I don't know how to say that. The secure credit cards are only um 3 to 6 months older than your new accounts. Yeah, so I don't know. Y'all can keep it if y'all want to each his own. But I just see some people that got credit cards with like $99 annual fees. And it's just like, why? Especially the ones that got that monthly fee too. You paying $10 a month. That's $120 a year. Let it go. Like, just let it go. Cut your losses now. I'm pretty sure it boosts your credit score. Just keep it pushing. But that's just my thoughts on that. Take my advice or don't take my advice. Just listen to it and be like, okay, nah, that ain't what I'm with. Or, you know what? That makes sense. Think